Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we're going to use 5-minute engulfing strategy and I will share you the results with 5-minute strategy. As you can see, the market structure is full bearish, and in this market structure we have to just find out the engulfings. As you can see, when the structure is bearish, we will only find the bearish engulfing, okay, the sell engulfing. So here, as you can see on the left side, we can see there is an engulfing, and if we find another engulfing, so it will be very strong confirmation for us. And again, here you can see, let's find some more trades. Okay, so guys, here we are going with the sell side trade. Okay, I just selected the 5-minute time. Let's just wait. So overall we are going for the sell side trade. So guys, without any, okay, we got a little rejection. Let the candle come. So guys, oh bro, I didn't took the place right. Okay guys, so we missed that opportunity. I went to place my trade right over there, but I missed that opportunity. Let's see, but that's 100% sure trade, and we are going one more trade. I placed 2 trades for the sell side because this is A plus setup. As you can see, I want to tell you that, as you can see, here are so many rejections, and the last rejection, second last rejection, so there are so many rejections, and we find an engulfing, and we go with the sell side. So I'm 100% sure that this candle will be the seller's candle. Let's see the results. 100% I'm sure this will be the red candle. So guys, if you find this video informative, so make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you like the video, and make sure you comment. Let's see guys, as you can see, the overall structure was also bearish, so you have to just find out a good setup. And today guys, Saturday, and as you can see, the market is very volatile. Let's go in a 1-minute time frame. As you can see, there is so many manipulation. So let's see guys, I'm 100% sure this will be my winning trade. Cool. So as you can see, and this is another bearish trend. So guys, candle is trying to go upward. Let's see. But I'm damn sure that this will be my winning trade. I'm 100% sure about this. Let's see. So when you know where the market structure is and you know your confirmations, you will also find these kind of trades. So as you can see, last 15 seconds, the crazy result, as you can see, crazy. So we win this trade. So guys, let me tell you how you can take these kind of trades. So look at this. This is a bullish trend. How? This is a break of structure. Market went up, came down. Okay. After that, when here is another break of structure, another break of structure, and from this fair value gap, market went again up. So we didn't find another break of structure. So market is in bearish trend. Okay. So this market can also go towards the downward direction if we find this breakout. Okay, this breakout. After this breakout, we just need an engulfing, just an engulfing, and we'll go for the sell side. I show you with the example how this gonna work. Here you can see market was bullish. Okay, this was a support which broken. After this support, as you can see, we find an engulfing, and after the engulfing, as you can see, market went down and market started manipulating right over there, as you can see. After that, we find engulfings, and that works amazingly. Okay, let's go to the another pair. Okay, here you can see market is going for the upward direction. As you can see, market failed so many times and now it's breaking the low. So guys, this is today's video. If you find this informative, and if you like the 5-minute strategy, which is simple, market structure, engulfing plus candlestick. So these 3 to 4 things, when you will combine these 3 to 4 things, you're gonna see this kind of accuracy. And if you find this video helpful, so make sure you like the video, subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.